This screencast will demonstrate how learners can use the Resources tab in a course to access relevant tools to assist you with completing your course. First, log into your account at absorb.skillsusa.org and enter your course by clicking your course underneath the My Courses label at the top of your dashboard, or click the menu icon and select My Courses from the drop-down list. We'll be using the instructor version of the advanced course for this demonstration. Once you're in your course, you can click the Resources tab at the curriculum level to view resources pertaining to the entire curriculum. So because we're in the Advanced Experiences course, when we click Resources, we will see resources that pertain to the entire course or curriculum. Likewise, when we enter an individual unit, for example, Unit 1 of the advanced course by clicking Start or Resume, and click the Resources button, we will see resources that pertain specifically to Unit 1 of the advanced course. If you are taking a course that has multiple units, be sure to look at the Resources tab in each unit of the course.